Hello world, this is Rajesh here from F5ToRide. Welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody is doing good. So this video is going to be a special video. I had wonderful experience meeting and greeting Mr.B. Govindarajan, Chief Executive Officer of Royal Enfield, which is owned by Eichers. This video is taken during the One Ride event organized by Royal Enfield, and he was there. And then this video, you will see his speech, a briefing session. During the briefing session, he gave the speech to us, and then I recorded that video, and then I had the privilege to meet and greet him, and I was excited and then happy to ride with him. I think he came with Meteor 650, I believe. Yeah. So in this video you are going to watch that, and then hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe this video and click the bell button, and then like this video. Follow me in the Instagram as well with the same name, F5ToRide. Continue watching this video and keep supporting.
We celebrate today across the globe. Without further ado, I'd like to invite Mr. B. Govindarajan, our Chief Executive Officer from Royal Enfield.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good energy to start off the day. First of all, thank you very much. It's very wonderful to have every one of you here. As Bala was mentioning, today we are here to celebrate the community. So we are all going to ride together, including me. More than the day, I'm excited to ride along with you guys in the community. Primarily, why we do that, this part 2 minutes, I'm not going to bore you guys. One ride this year, the theme is one world, one mission, one ride. That's the motto. Royal Enfield, connects the community, always tell that they can be the change agent to the community. Because in this world, in a sustainable energy, sustainable world, what is that we can do to the Mother Earth? What is that we can do to the community? When we all looked at it, we thought the brand lovers, the riders, our guys, our consumers, we're all willing to come forward and then join into the community and help the community to become very resilient and uplift their livelihood. That's what is One Ride all about. It's a cost ride. As a responsible riders, we all have to be looking at how do we leave every place better. That's what we also thought that should be the call to action as an organization. That's where we are. We are going to ride together to a place called in Motowear. Near to that, where there is a place in that community which has orphanage, old age home, everything is there at one particular area. We all go there, spend time with them, and pick up their spirit into that particular area. It's only a starting. 2019, we started off in this journey of sustainability with no plastic, less plastic. That's where we started up. It's in a very, very basic way. With the call to action at leave every place better. Over a period of time, we have been adopting these sort of including the heritages which are there, and everywhere we have been started working with them in uplifting the whole community on the road at Brotherhood. Thank you very much. Stay riding.
Thank you, sir.